Peace, love, and life, family. Esik, the Homesteader here. I hope you guys can hear me over there on that end, and I hope everyone is doing well. So it's been a minute since I did an unboxing video. So today we're back in the 90s. It's hot, but not too bad. I just don't want it to go in the high 90s anymore. I need the high 90s to be done. The last few days, I know a lot of people is complaining they're getting a lot of rain. Well, we're not getting a lot of rain. We're just getting little specks of it from the hurricane season that's going on further south. But so I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys today. And y'all know when Essie get mail, I be tickled pink. I be like a kid in a candy store. Me and my son that gets a lot of mail as well. We be waiting for packages all the time. So, everybody knows, everybody is on the hunt. So, let's get this bad boy out of here. And matter of fact, let me get everything off of here. All right, family. Alright, family. Look what Essie got. Yay! Y'all see that? Ain't she pretty? Okay, family, so we all know that these are getting very difficult to find. They are sporadically coming in on Amazon and also eBay. I was actually able to land this one on eBay, and there are several of them where you can do bids. There is price gouging over there, but I got lucky with this one. I actually was able not to bid but make an offer of the price that was there. So they had it at, I believe it was was it 170? I think it was, and I was able to make an offering, so I actually got this for, I think it was 140. Yeah. And these are normally no more than, I would say, $110. So the person that was selling it made about $40, a little over $40, or less, selling this to me. So when I made the offer, they accepted the offer, and yeah, it was a little bit more than usual, but hey, there was some where people were charging, and it was free shipping, and there was some where people was charging $70 to ship this. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm thinking of the Presto as the all-American canner, which everybody wants that. I'm thinking it's heavy like that, you know, that cast iron heavy, but this is not heavy at all. And those that have this know that this is not heavy. It shouldn't cost $70 to ship this. So there are a lot of people that are price gouging when it comes to the canners and when it comes to the jars. I know all of us are seeing that because unfortunately we all got addicted to canning, which is good. So again, Amazon is sporadically bringing these in, and also eBay. But be mindful, if you really desperate for it and you haven't been able to, you know, get one, they are on eBay, but they are definitely price gouging with these, especially in the shipping. So I'm excited. I can't wait to use it, and I definitely wanted to put that out there for those that are still looking for the pressure canners, especially the Prestos, but also the American canners. The American canners will not be in stock until December at the allamericancanner.website.com. The pressure canner outlet won't have the all-American canners until December 2. They both websites are taking orders, like back orders. You pay for it, and then once they come in, they will send them out. I haven't did that yet. I plan on doing that because I'm pretty sure they gonna sell out before they even start releasing them in December. I don't even know how that's gonna work, but they are accepting orders. But if you can find one, you know, before then, that's great. But I also know that eBay do have the All American canners on their website as well. Yes, price gouging. Some are used. A lot of them is used, but there are some that are new. But again, price gouging. So I know everybody is helping everybody in the garden community try to locate, you know, the pressure canners, especially the Prestos, because they're the most reasonable ones. And the lifetime on these are actually 12 years. Yeah, it's on 12 years. So, you know, you'll have this probably longer than 12 years. So even if you're able to get this. And if you want to put the order in for the All American on both of those websites, go ahead and do it, pay for it, and just wait till December. I'm definitely going to do it, but not right now. I think I can manage with this and my water bath canner, which I haven't even started using that. I've been doing the dry canning method. But I'm excited. I can't wait to use it. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is canning. I hope everybody's being safe. I hope everyone is shopping and storing up their goods, their non-perishable items. I need to do a video on how I've been prepping my pantry, which I've been doing that for some time, but I think with the situation going on now, I think we're being more diligent in that area. I know I am. I know a lot of us are, which is good. And I was saying my kitchen is starting to look so country right now. I got stuff everywhere. I mean, just everywhere, between rice and dried beans and waters and candy jars. I have stuff everywhere, so I really definitely have to get a little bit more organized. And I look forward to using my Presto pressure canner, and I'll bring you guys some new videos on how to use this Mama Jamma. This ain't really the Mama Jamma, this is the baby, but I look forward to using this. So I hope this video is helping you guys. We all in the garden community is helping each other, each one teach one. And that's the beauty of our gardening community, which we all love our gardening community. So I hope this has helped you guys. And be mindful, you know, about the price gouging. But if you don't have a problem with the price gouging, just go ahead and get it. But also, if they listing say, what is it called? They say best offer, make a best offer, something like that. It's not an actual like bid. Take your chances, because I just kept looking. Every day I would get up in the morning, and then when I seen this one with the price that it was, and you know, I made the offer, and the person accepted, and they sent it to me right away. It came to me so fast. I was not looking for it to be that fast, but she got it out to me as soon as possible, and Essie is happy with her canner. All right, family, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys better get the canning. All of y'all already canning. Everybody canning. All right, family, this is Essie K, the Homesteader. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and Essie will see you on the next video. I think I got a harvest to do. And I might can that harvest. We'll see. All right, family, this is Essie K. See you guys on the next video. Peace.